you see my slides?
Yes, Akka.
Is my slides are visible?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. This is growth curve. In the growth curve lesson, it's a continuation of the previous session. Make ඇත්තටම කලින් පාඩමේම continuation එකක්. Make a just like a story. Make a story එකක් වගේ. I'm going to tell it you as a story. So remind all the things in the proper order. හරි order එකකට මතක තියාගන්න. It's very easy. Not that much bad, but sometimes they are asked it as a essay questions. Essay questions එකක් විදිහට mainly they are asking the growth curve. So you want to write the points correctly. So let's move to the lesson. If you have any doubt or anything, let's talk them in the latter part of the class. අපි අන්තිමට කතා කරමු because I have talked too much now. So I'll discuss those things one by one. If you have a clarification, we'll solve them in the later. This is a story just like our story. මේක ඇත්තටම කතාවක් අපේ කතාව වගේම. Just we have developed to university life and in the latter part of our life, just like our life story. මේක ඇත්තටම අපේ ජීවිත කතාව වගේ, but it is related to the growth of a plant. ඒ වුණාට මේක related වෙලා තියෙන්නේ plant එකේ growth එකට. What is mean by growth curve? We should have an understanding. මොකද්ද growth curve එකක් කියන්නේ? Finally, I ask questions, so be in alert. Randomly, I'll ask. So, growth curve. What is mean by growth curve? Growth curve, the variation of total dry weight of a crop with a time is defined as a growth curve. මේක variation එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ වෙනස් වීමක්. මොකක්ද වෙනස් වෙන්නේ? Total dry weight එක. අපි කිව්වා ශුද්ධ බරණේ dry weight එක. The weight which is removed with the water. When we are removing the water from something, it is called as total dry weight. So variation of total dry weight of a crop with a time. අපි කාලයත් එක්ක එයාගේ ශුද්ධ බර තමයි මනින්නේ. Defined as a growth curve. අන්න ඒ වගේ එකකට තමයි අපි growth curve එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. Experimental evidence have shown that the growth curve of any plant species has a common shape. Researchers ලා, experimenters ලා ගොඩාක් පරීක්ෂණ කරාට පස්සේ they have identified that lots of plant usually lots of plants have any plant species have a common shape. මේකට common වෙච්ච shape එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා experiment කරාට පස්සේ experimental evidence ඒ කියන්නේ සාක්ෂි හොයාගෙන තියෙනවා මේක කරාට පස්සේ සාමාන්‍ය අපේ ජීවන චක්‍රය වගේමයි just like us we are doing the same thing. Our parents also did the same thing. Their ancestors, our grandparents also did the same thing. Only difference is the education or some technologies. But our curve is same. Just like that, any plant species also have a common shape. This shape is known as sigmoidal shape. මේකට අපි කියන්නේ සිග්මාකාර හැඩය කියලා. It is called as a sigmoidal shape. The slope of the growth curve at any point is rate of increase of the total dry weight growth rate at that point. Slope එකක් කියන්නේ නිකන් ආනතියක් වගේ කියන එකක් නේ. Slope of the growth curve. මේ growth curve එකේ ආනතිය at any point is rate of increase the total dry weight. මේක ඇඳලා තියෙන ආනතිය මොකට අදාළවද? Dry mass of the leaves. Dry mass එකට ආනතිය අනුකූලව තමයි ඇඳලා තියෙන්නේ. මොකද අපි මේ growth curve එක අඳින්නේ. We have drawn this growth curve according to the dry mass of the leaves and also the weeks. Weeks denotes the time, no? So we know that growth curve එකක් කියන්නේ variation එකක්. What are variate? Total dry weight of a crop with the time. කාලයත් එක්කයි යාගේ dry weight එක variate වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේක weight variate වෙලා තියෙන්නේ slope එක මොකට අදාළවද? It's denote mainly for the dry mass or the dry weight. So to understand the physiological basis, අපිට මේකේ තියෙන කායානුරූපීත්වය, what are the things behind there we want to understand, no? So plant in the growth analysis, sigmoidal curve can be considered the 5 different stages of the phases. මේකේ stages පහක් තියෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අවධි පහක් තියෙනවා මේකේ. Let's see this graph. Mainly, this graph has drawn to the dry mass of the leaves with the time. I have said that, no? Dry mass of the leaves mean here the dry weight. We took a leaf, we removed all the water content there, and we measure the dry mass or the dry weight there. අපි කොලයක් ගත්තා, කොලේ තිබ්බ සියලු වතුර අයින් කරා. අන්න දැන් අපි ආගේ dry mass එක ගත්තා. Then we have took the weeks or the time which we have taken. අපි ගත්ත කාලය time එක. Here we took it as the weeks. අපි සති වලින් තමයි ගන්න. Then we have drawn a graph. After that we have drawn a graph. ඊට පස්සේ අපි graph එක ඇඳා. Let's to understand this graph, අපි මේ graph එක තේරුම් ගන්න, we have analysis. අපි මේක analysis කරනවා. අපි මේක විශ්ලේෂණය කරනවා. To analyze that, it has different stages, just like 5 stages. පහක් වගේ අපි මේක යටතේ කතා කරනවා. Firstly, in the it has shown 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like they have taken the weeks. With the weeks, they have drawn the how the dry mass of the leaves have varied. In the 2, it is just like in the 500, 4, it's just like 1500, near like that. They have measured that and they have developed this graph. When they are doing more and more experimental and more research, they have identified that lots of species of the plant have the same thing. Then let's discuss one by one. Okay. Different phases or the stages of the growth curve. They have shown something below, but I will discuss them in the later part of the slides. It's easy for you. Different phases or the stages of the growth curve. I said this is like our life story. මම කිව්වා මේක අපේ ජීවන කතාව වගේ කියලා. So this also has some stages like us in the plant. අපිට වගේම මෙයාටත් stages තියෙනවා. The first stage is the lag phase. Lag. කවුරු හරි දන්නවද සිංහල meaning එක lag phase? Do anyone know the meaning of the lag? Sorry, Malli. Himaru, what's that? What? Sorry? Yeah, හිර වෙලා වුණාට ප්‍රමාදයනේ. මල්ලි ප්‍රමාදය කියන්නේ it's waiting. Just like waiting. ප්‍රමාද හිර වෙලා තමයි හිර වෙන්නේ ප්‍රමාද හින්දානේ අපි හිර වෙන්නේ. Just like that. Lag mean very good. ප්‍රමාදය එහෙමත් නැත්නම් හිර වෙලා කියලා ඔයගේ වචනෙන් අපි මතක තියාගමු. Exponential. Exponential කියන්නේ මොකක්ද හිමරු? Himaru, exponential කියන්නේ, do you know the meaning of exponential? Exponential කියන්නේ it's just like logarithm. ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ සිංහලෙන් නැතුව අපි හිතමු logarithm වගේ sorry නංගි ගාතිය අන්න හරි ගාතිය මම කියන්නේ නැතුව කිව්වේ logarithm කියන term එකම තමයි exponential කියන්නේ ගාතියයි කියන්නේ. Then it is linear. We know no common word. Janani, are you there? What is mean by linear? Janani, did you went? Udita, do you know what is mean by linear? Yeah, very good. Rekhi. Decline. So it is easy to remind you. So I'll ask from you. Declining means your results are declining. Nowadays our economic is declining. What is mean net me? Declining? Net me? Sorry. Decline? Yeah, very good. So negative? We all know, no? Positive and negative? So negative? Don't show your negative side to me. So what is mean by negative? Yeah. So senescence. Himaru, do you know senescence? It's a new word for you, no?
Yes.
Senescence? Do you know that meaning?
No.
වියපත් භාවය. වයසට යනවා. Just like us, no? Just like our grandma, grandpa. It's senescent. වියපත් වෙනවා. Plant also have the same thing. Lag phase. අපි චුට්ටි බබා ඔන්න ඉපදුනා. එයා බලද්දි මා දවසින් බලද්දිත් ඒ වගේ දෙකින් බලද්දිත් ඒ වගේ ඔන්න එයා චුට්ටි ලොකු වෙනවා. හැබැයි මහ ලොකු වෙනසක් යාක පේන්නේ. We can't see much difference in the lag phase. Just it also like slow movement. Slowly it is go to that pace. No, in the 1 or 2 months, they have grown, but child has not grown much. No, it's in the small child, just like that. No, so it's a slow movement. Exponential, exponential. It has some great thing. It means it increasing. No, not just like the lag pace. In the exponential case, it is increasing, just like our what called then grade 1 to 5 years. The children are growing more rapidly, no? How old are you? Now 12, 13. They are grown, no? Very rapidly. Their child screen is growing. 5, 6, 7, grade 7. Think about those kinds of children. Their age has grown much rapidly, no? යාළගේ කාලේ ඉක්මනට ගිහිල්ලා වගේ අපිට දැනෙනවා. But think about linear pace. Linear means they are grown in a linear way. It means no much rapid way. එකපාරම ලොකු වෙනසක් නැහැ. Yeah, හිමින් linear කියන්නේ ඒකාකාරී විදිහට තමයි යන්නේ. Think about our campus life. It is linear, no? Just like linear case, no? It's not much difference. The 4 year is linear pace. It's all the 4 years we want to work much hard. So it is a linear pace. ඒකාකාරී ලෙස වැඩ කරන්න ඕනේ. So it is just like linear pace. Then declining. Then after we are pass out from the university, it's just like declining, no? Not like our age which we have passed in the preschools, nurseries, schools, campus. Our life is another thing. It is just like declining. We want to enter the marriage life and some other life things. So it is declining. Sometime maybe dull, sometime maybe happy. Anyway, it is declining way. Then the pace, which is our parents, our grandmas, they are spending is negative pace, no? Their life is go down and down. It means they are senescents. Their age has gone. Their physical appearance also sometimes decline. Their physical work also declining. So they are in the senescent pace. So lag pace, exponential pace, linear pace, decline pace, and the negative pace. Those are the paces which the growth curve has spent. So someone tell me what are the different phases of the growth curve? If you understood something, tell me what are the different phases of the growth curve of the plant? Can you hear me? What are the different phases? Vihara, Nangi Vihara, can you hear me? Are you sleeping? Or is it boring? Vihara? Sorry. Can you hear me? Did you understand something?
මං ඇහෙනවද මං කියන එක?
Oh, Ahena, but try to use English, Nangia.
Okay.
Okay, maybe connection problem. Mayuri, Nangi Mayuri, what are the different phases of the curve of the plant growth?
Lag pace, exponential pace, linear pace, decliner pace, negative pace.
Sorry, I can't hear.
Lag pace, exponential pace, linear pace, decliner pace, negative pace. Then
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the other part. It's just like this. Lag pace, exponential pace, linear pace, then the declining negative phases in the senescence also. Then let's discuss one by one. Lag pace. It is the initial. What is mean by initial? Himaru, what is mean by initial, Malli? Himaru, what is mean by initial? Can you hear me?
I don't know.
Initial. Nangi Manishi. Do you know initial?
ආරම්භක
Yeah, very good. ආරම්භය. අපේ life එක වගේ. Just like our life, I said no. So it is the initial stage. Immediately following the seed germination. Seed germinate එක වෙන්න ආපු ගමන්ම එයාගේ තියෙන initial stage එක තමයි lactase එක කියලා අපි කතා කරන්නේ. It is immediately. Immediately කියන්නේ initially, immediate කියන්නේ ඒ ගමන්ම following the seed germination. Seed germination එක උණු ගමන්ම වෙන්නේ lactase එක. ඒ කාලයට තමයි අපි lactase කියලා කියන්නේ. The rate of the dry weight increase extremely low at this phase. අපි දන්නවා rate of dry weight increases extremely low. ඇත්තටම පොඩ්ඩයි තමයි යාගේ වැඩි වෙන්නේ නේ. චූටි බබා ලොකු වුණාට එයා චුට්ටි චුට්ටනේ ලොකු වෙන්නේ. යාගේ බර වැඩි වෙන්නේ පොඩ පොඩ. Mothers do so many things to increase the weight of children, no? Just like that, plants also same, no? The rate of dry weight to increase is extremely low at this phase. මේ phase එකේ එයාගේ බර වැඩි වෙන්නේ හරිම හිමි. කලේ අපි seed එක දාපු ගමන්ම කාලේ තමයි lactase කියලා කතා කරන්නේ. ඒ වගේම එයාගේ dry weight එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ හිමි. මේ කාලෙදී එයාගේ dry weight එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ හිමි. The crop uses the food and the energy stored in the seed. මේකෙදී එයා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ මොනවද? එයාගේ කැම සහ එයාගේ ශක්තිය ලබා ගන්න එයාගේ seed එකේ තියෙන දේවල්. seed එකේ තියෙන stored වෙලා තියෙන ශක්තිය සහ කැම තමයි එයාගේ ආහාර විදිහට මේ කාලෙදී ලබා ගන්න. To develop the above ground shoot system and the underground root system. Every plant has two things. Every plant has two things. Imagine this is a plant. Make a plant එකක් කියලා හිතන්න ඔයා. The things which is grown above the root system. This is root, huh? Just like think this is root system. This is root system. Above the things which is grown above the root system can be called as a shoot system. Every plant has two things, just like root system and also root system. Root system means which is grown in the underground and which is grown in the above part is called the shoot system. At very beginning, this is the beginning stage of the lactase, slightly decreasing the total dry weight of an initial seed weight. Can someone guess why the initial seed weight is decreasing? Nangi Manishi, what do you think that? Why the initial seed weight is decreasing there? Do you have any scientific reason?
because what's the word for Rohani?
Germination.
The seed uses the stored food and energy for germination. That's
Very
why
good, very good. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much, Nangi. That's the main reason. It uses the food and the energy which is stored in the seed. So the initial seed weight is decreasing there. Due to no new production of the leaves, photosynthesis occur at the early stage. No new production of leaves, photosynthesis. No new production. අලුත් production එකක් නැහැ කොළවල photosynthesis සඳහා in the early stage. එයා ඉපදුණු ගමන්ම වැඩ දාන්න යන්නේ නැහැ නේ. එයා තාම චූටි. So no new production of the leaves, photosynthesis occur at the early stage. Only redistribute existing assimilate occur. අපි ශක්තිය ගන්න තැන තැන තිබ්බු redistribute. distribute කරනවා කියන්නේ අපි බෙදා හරිනවා කියන්නේ නැවත බෙදා හරපු දේවල් තමයි එයා ශක්තිය විදිහට ගන්න. photosynthesis එකක් ගැන මෙතන කියන්නේ නෑ මම no new production of the leaves, photosynthesis and occur in the early stage මූලික කාලෙදී එයා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ only redistribute. එයාම බෙදා දීපු redistribute කරපු දේවල් තමයි existing assimilate occur. For these energy processes has to be generated through respiration, which cause decrease in the total weight, which we have discussed there. No? For these energy processes have to be generated through respiration, which cause decreases in the total weight, which we have discussed there. No? Decreases the total weight. Mainly, it affects the food and the energy which is taken from the seed. The subsequent slow increase in the total dry weight during the late part of the lag phase occur because of the beginning of development of the above ground canopy. Slow increase. හිමින් තමයි වැඩි වෙන්නේ. මොකක්ද වැඩි වෙන්නේ? Total dry weight එක during the late part of the lag phase. Lag phase එකේ අන්තිම කාලය වෙනකොට. දැන් බබා ලෙස හිටපු එක චුට්ටක් බබාගේ කාලේ චුට්ටක් වැඩි වෙගෙන යද්දි මොකද වෙන්නේ? හිමින් වැඩි වෙනවා එයාගේ dry weight එක during the late part of the lag phase because of the beginning of development above ground canopy. මේ තියෙන්නේ on ground canopy. එයාගේ canopy එකෙන් උඩට වියනක් වගේ චුට්ටක් වන්න හැදීගෙන එනකොට එයාගේ බර චුට්ට වැඩි වෙනවා. Due to small size canopy, මෙන්න මේ small size canopy චුට්ටි canopy එක amount of intercepted radiation is very slow. Radiation කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Do you know anything about radiation? Radioactive chemicals, radiations. Manishi, do you know radiation?
අක්ක විකිරණ
Yeah. Here the radiation got by the sun. Sun is there, so it gives sunlight. So radiation is there. The sun give some light to there. So intercepted radiation is very low. Why is that? The canopy is very small, no? In the latter part, although there, the small size canopy is very small. So intercepted radiation is very low. So crop photosynthesis would be very low because it get only limited amount of sunlight there. Explain the very slow growth in the lag phase. Therefore, the growth is very slow in the lag phase. Did you understood about the lag phase? Kasuni, Nangi Kasuni, did you understood something about the lag phase?
අක්කේ අනේ මගේ කට්ටර වගේ මුල් චුට්ටට හිටියේ නෑ මං.
Okay. Did you get something from this?
අක්කේ චුට්ටක් තේරුණා.
Try to use English, huh? I know Sinhala.
Okay.
This is chance to increase yourself, no? So you want to speak in English. I think it's the main thing there. Navodi, Nangi, Navodi, are you there?
Yes, Akka.
Very good. Did you understood something regarding the lag phase?
Yes, Akka.
Very good. Can you explain? Yeah, nice.
Lag phase is
Nice.
the initial stage of plant.
Yeah.
Uh,
What's happened there?
in their dry weight slowly increase.
Very good.
Not that much fast.
Yeah.
Food and energy stored in seeds, and there is two parts of a tree: shoot system and root system.
Mhm. Very beginning of the lag phase, what is happening in the quiz? They are asking directly, yeah. Sometime directly, they are asking at the very beginning of the lag phase, slightly decreased total weight, and also something taken from the high portion of biomass, and also from the have to can you want to choose what are the things happen in the lag phase. So you want to make a chart today. I know that today very tired for you. I know that. I can understand, but you want to make a chart, lag phase, exponential phase, then linear phase, decline phase, negative phase, like that. You want to make a chart for your study. I'm not asking, did you prepare like that? I'm not such kind of person. So write a lag phase like that you want to write and write the key point. Then you compare. Then it is easy for you to study. It's for your study purpose. Okay, let's move to the exponential phase. Thank you, Nangi. Exponential phase. Now it is rapidly exponential logarithmic way. So rapidly the dry weight increases at the increasing rate. Very important word, increasing rate. Exponential phase, it is doing increasing rate. What is increasing? Dry weight is increasing at the increasing rate. This is indicated by the continuous increase of the slope of growth curve. So it is the main way of indicating the continuous increases of the slope of the growth curve. The maximum rate of dry weight increases. Maximum rate of dry weight is increases in the exponential pace. Maximum කියන්නේ climax එක. උපරිමයටම rate of dry weight is increased achieved at the end of. We want to remind those words. We want to highlight. They are giving in the quiz at the beginning of the exponential rate. So you may misunderstood that. So we want to remind that end of the exponential pace. These are the things you want to remind there. It reads maximum rate of the dry weight increases at which age? The end of the exponential pace. The lag and the exponential phases occupy only a small fraction. Sometimes they tell it as a large fraction. So you want to know it is not a large fraction. In the lag and also exponential pace occur only a small fraction. චූටි fraction එකක් කියන්නේ අපි දන්න චූටි භාගයක් චූටි ප්‍රමාණයක් විතරයි මේ total crop duration එකේ lag and the exponential pace එක occupy කරන්නේ. මෙතන බලන්න, it can see in this graph, no, very small portion they are taking in the lag and the exponential pace, not that much large. Then in exponential phase, a rapid expansion of crop canopy occurs due to increase the leaf initiation and subsequence of the expansion. Rapid expansion, rapidly කියන්නේ increasing rapidly, rapidly කියන්නේ ටක් ගාලා ගොඩක් වේගෙන්. Speedily expansion of crop canopy. We understood this is the canopy. So in this phase, some other canopies are developed, no? So increasing the rapid expansion of crop canopy occur due to the increased leaf initiations. ඔන්න කොළ එන්න පටන් අරන් එයාගේ. ඒ හින්දා එයාගේ crop canopy එක වැඩි වෙනවා. And subsequent expansion එකක් වෙනවා. ඒ හින්දා එයාගේ canopy එක වැඩි වෙන හින්දා එයාත් ලොකු වෙනවනේ. එයාගේ කොළ වැඩි වෙනවා කියන්නේ එයාත් ලොකු වෙනවා. The radiation interception and the photosynthesis capacity of the canopy increase rapidly. Not just like that phase. In that phase, only one leaf, no. In this phase, they have so many leaves. එයාගේ leaves ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. So sun can give more light. ඒ හින්දා ඔන්න ඉරට දෙන light ගොඩක් මෙයාට ගන්න පුළුවන්. So the photosynthesis also increase in the rapidly. Radiation interception and photosynthesis capacity of the canopy increases rapidly, leading to total dry weight at an increasing rate. Increasing rate එකකින් තමා මේක වෙන්නේ. වැඩි වෙන අනුපාතයකින් තමා වැඩි වීගෙන යන්නේ. A high proportion of biomass produces. Biomass එක proportion, high proportion. මොකද එයාගේ කොළ වැඩි වුණා, photosynthesis වැඩි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. So high proportion of biomass produced during the exponential phase is partition to the tissue which are capable of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is occurring there and high proportion of the biomass produced because carbon dioxide, water, glucose, oxygen all can get in high proportion because the leaf area is increased. More canopies are there during the exponential phase is partition to tissue. Partition කියන්නේ වෙන් කරනවා, කොටස් වලට වෙන් කරනවා to the tissue. Tissue එකේ කොටස් වලට වෙන් කරලා which is capable of photosynthesis. ප්‍රභා සංශ්ලේෂණය සඳහා කොටස් වලට වෙන් කරගන්න හරි ලේසි. මොකෝ high proportion of biomass produced in the exponential phase. Dunya, Nangi Dunya, Dunya Erandi. Nangi Dunya, are you there?
Yes, Akka.
Okay, nice. Nangi, can you tell me something regarding the exponential phase to me?
Okay.
Okay.
In exponential phase, dry weight is increasing as increasing rate.
Very good.
And end of the exponential phase, maximum rate of the dry weight is increasing.
Mm. What can you say about the proportion, Nangi? Fraction of the lag and the exponential phase?
Only a small
Growth curve?
fraction.
Yeah, very good. Then
Uh,
photosynthesis. What are the things you got from photosynthesis in the exponential phase, Nangi?
there are a lot of leaves in the crop. So photosynthesis is increasing.
But you want to write those things in these words. Try to use more these words. If you can't remind all the things, use that words. If not, try to use those things. Madam always expecting her answers. In the when I was in 1-1, I asked from my seniors what should write for the agronomy akka. Then 1 or 2 akka said that Nangi, if you write more papers, you will get more results. Like that, she gave answer for me. I am not telling you to do the same thing, but I am expressing you to do something. I think you will get that. I am not expecting that in Sinhala. I'm not explaining that in Sinhala because I don't have right to tell that. But that's the thing. So always try to use the same word, Nangya. හැම වෙලේම මේ words පාවිච්චි කරන්න. To get the idea, use the things which I am telling, but always try to use these words. If you can't write that, only use those things. Madam will give marks, but more marks will be given for the words which is given by her, because those are scientific words and those are madam's words regarding the subject agronomy. So try to use those things. Thank you so much, Nangi. Let's discuss the linear pace.
Okay.
Linear, we have discussed that linear, ekakari කියලා අපි කතා කරන්නේ, just like our uni life, no? In the whole uni life, we want to work in the linear way. ekakari විදිහට වැඩ කරන්න ඕනේ, which is occupy the largest fraction. ඒකාකාරී විදිහට වැඩිම අපිට වැඩ කරන්න uni life. So just like that, the largest fraction is occupied in the linear pace of the total duration of a crop, but just not like our life in that time, because we have only 4 years in the uni life, no. But in the linear case, regarding the plant, largest fraction of the total duration of the crop is occupied there. In this phase, total dry weight is observed to increase approximately linearly with the time. Total dry weight. We are always talking about the total dry weight there, no, regarding the plant growth. Just like our weight, regarding the plant, we are talking the total dry weight is observed increase approximately linearly with the time. Not that much different. Not 20 kilograms. Just like 100 kilograms, not that 20 kilograms, 20.5 kilograms, 21 kilograms, like that. It is increasing approximately linear with the time. ඒකාකාරී විදිහටයි වැඩි වෙන්නේ. මහා ලොකු, they don't have much different, indicated by the constant slope. Constant එකක් කියන්නේ නියත විදිහට තමයි of the growth curve. Here, increasing effect on the total dry weight, constant. Why it is constant? Continuous canopy expansion is counteracted by the mutual shading and increasing of non-photosynthetic situs. Here, increasing effect of total dry weight. Increasing effect. වැඩි වෙන බලපෑම of the total dry weight. මෙයාගේ වැඩි වෙන බලපෑම. මේ ශාකයේ dry weight එකේ වැඩි වෙන බලපෑම constant. ඇයි constant කියන්නේ නියතයක් එක්ක ඒකාකාරී, due to continuous canopy expansion. Continuous exams. What are called continuous exams? Nangi Shehani, what is called continuous exam? Continuous, not exams. Continuously be continuously happening. Very good. එකදිගටමයි වෙන්නේ. Continuous canopy expansion is counteracted by the mutual shading. Mutual relationships කියන්නේ මොනවද? නිකන් mutually කියන්නේ පුබුදුනි, නංගි පුබුදුනි, mutually කියන්නේ mutually we want to understand others කියලා එහෙම කියන්නේ අන්‍යෝන්‍ය වශයෙන් කියන්න. Do you know something like that? Nangi Navodi, do you know like that? Mutual
No.
correct.
Okay. Mutual. Mutual කියන්නේ අන්‍යෝන්‍ය වශයෙන්. Shading එකක් කියන්නේ shade. Mutual shading and increase the non-photosynthesis tissues. Shade එක. Nangi Manishi. Shade. Himaru. Do you know shade?
Matthew, no?
Mutual shading and increasing the non-photosynthesis tissues. ප්‍රභා සංශ්ලේෂණය නොකරන tissues වැඩි වෙන හින්දා mutual shading එක ඒකට අනුරූපීව වැඩි වෙනවා. The net result is approximately linear. මේ ඔක්කොම දේවල් because of the things which is happening in the linear stages affect and net result එක හින්දා වෙන ශුද්ධ result එක linear rate of the total dry weight. Total dry weight එක linear ඒකාකාරී විදිහට තමයි වැඩි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. All agricultural crops spend a significant portion of their life cycle in the linear portion. එයාගේ linear portion එකේදී linear phase එකේදී එයා සැලකිය යුතු ප්‍රමාණයක් එයාගේ ජීවිත කාලයෙන් ගත කරන්නේ එයා linear phase එකේදී. මොකද එයාගේ ඒකාකාරී ලෙස බර වැඩි වෙන්නේ මේ අවස්ථාවේදී හින්දා. නංගි චේතනා, can you tell me something regarding the linear phase, darling?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, tell me, what are the things you got there? In the linear phase, what are the things happen there?
Larger fraction of
Largest fraction. Tell me.
total dry weight is increased
In which way? Linearly.
linearly
Hmm.
and
What can you say about the non-photosynthesis tissues? What happened there?
dry weight is increased.
Dry weight increasing. So the canopy is expansion. So the mutual shading happen and increase of the non-photosynthetic tissue. Okay, thank you, Nangi. Let's move to the declining phase. During the declining phase, total dry weight is still increasing. Declining una. අනේ ඉතින් අපි පහළට කඩාගෙන වැටුණත් අපේ බර අඩු වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ. Total dry weight is still increasing but at decreasing rate. හැබැයි ඉතින් mentally we are in some depression rate. So decreasing rate අඩු වෙන අනුපාතයෙන් තමයි බර වැඩි වෙන්නේ. This is indicated gradually decreasing the slope of the growth curve. Let's see the growth curve. See. What's happened? It's declining. No, slope is decreasing there. Slope is decreasing there because expansion of the foliage canopy slows down considerably or stops altogether. Expansion of the foliage canopy කියන්නේ වියන වගේ දැන් හැදිච්ච පත්‍ර ඒවා expansion වෙනවා ලොකු වීගෙන යනවා. හැබැයි slows down එයා ලොකු වීගෙන වෙලා වෙන්නේ හිමින් තමයි දැන් ඔන්න ලොකු වෙන්නේ. Considerably or stop altogether. දැන් ලොකු වීගෙන ආවා. ඇවිල්ලා දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? එයා අඩු වීගෙන යනවා. Stop altogether. සමහරට ඔක්කොම හැලිලා වැටෙන්න පුළුවන්. Stop නවතින්නත් පුළුවන්. The photosynthesis efficiency existing lean begin gradually decrease. ඉතින් අනේ ඔක්කොම foliage canopies ටික අඩු වෙනකොට එයාගේ photosynthesis එකක් ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. No. So the photosynthesis efficiency existing leaves begin gradually decreases. Gradually කියන්නේ එක දිගටම අඩු වීගෙන යනවා. Although the production of new assimilate continues, its rate and efficiency shows a significant decrease. අතනදී significant increase එකක් වුණා. හැබැයි අපි මෙතන production එක ගැන කතා කරනකොට new assimilate continues its rate and efficiency. එයාගේ කාර්යක්ෂමතාවය ඒ වගේම එයාගේ නිෂ්පාදනය ඇත්තටම අඩු වෙලා because the photosynthesis is reduced there because the expansion of the foliage canopy slows down considerably or stops altogether. Foliage canopy අඩු වෙනවා ඒ වගේම නවතින්නත් පුළුවන් හැලිලා යන්නත් පුළුවන්. So the photosynthesis efficiency එක අඩු වීගෙන යනවා photosynthesis efficiency එක අඩු වෙනවා කියන්නේ plant එකේ production එක අඩු වෙනවා. ඒ වගේම එයා assimilate කරන එයාගේ rate එක අඩු වෙනවා. So the efficiency also decreasing. එයාගේ කාර්යක්ෂමතාවය අඩු වෙනවා. The declining pace significant the onset of the senescence to some organs leaves of the canopy. Senescence කියන්නේ I told that meaning. Senescent. Janani, Nangi, do you remind the word senescent?
වියපත් වෙනවා.
Very good. The declining phase significant onset of the senescence to some organs leaves of the crop. Then අඩුවීගෙන යනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? එයාගේ senescence එයාගේ කොළ වියපත් වෙනවා. At the end of the declining phase, slope of the growth curve decreased to 0. අනේ එයාගේ growth curve එක අඩු වෙලා යනවා 0 එකටම. And the total dry weight reaches maximum. මොකද එයා නගින්න ඕන උපරිමයටම නැගලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් අම්මලා මෙතනින් එහාට ලොකු වෙන්නේ නැහනේ. Our mothers and the fathers not will grow more than this, no. They have grown to their maximum. Just like that, plant also same. The slope of the growth curve decreases to 0. There is no slope. Slope එක නෑ. The total dry weight reaches maximum. එයා total dry weight එකද maximum total dry weight එකද reach කරලා තියෙන්නේ. So let's move to the negative phase. After reaching the maximum total dry weight, just like our parents, after reaching maximum total dry weight, එයාගේ maximum total dry weight එකට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. Total dry weight declining due to continuing senescence. අනේ එයාගේ වියපත් භාවය වැඩි වෙන හින්දා එයාගේ total dry weight එක අඩු වීගෙන යනවා. Just like our grandma, grandpa. අපේ ආච්චිලා සියලා වගේනේ. එයාගේ උපරිම වර්ධනයට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් එයා වියපත් වීගෙන යනවා. Their skin, their eyes, their appearance, those things are declining, no? Just like them, trees also same. Total dry weight declining because to continuing senescence. එයාගේ වියපත් භාවයේ දිගින් දිගටම පවතින හින්දා එයාගේ dry weight එක අඩු වෙනවා. The rapid declining of the photosynthesis capacity. දැන් යාලා මෙතනින් එහාට photosynthesis කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ වියපත් වෙලා හින්දා. So they can't do photosynthesis. Rapidly declining වේගෙන් එයාගේ photosynthesis අඩු වෙලා because leaf senescence and the shedding. අනේ ගස් වල කොළ වියපත් වෙලා ඒවා වැටෙනකොට photosynthesis වෙයිද? From where it happen, no? There is no place to happen photosynthesis. So the maximum total dry weight is rapidly declining and leaf senescence and the shedding. Photosynthesis capacity also rapidly declining. On the other hand, අනිත් පැත්තෙන් respiration of the organs, ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන organs වල particularly the panicles and the pods. Panicles වගේ තියෙන ඔය ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන කොළ අර ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන දේවල් තියෙනවානේ. එයා respiration වෙනවා, consume the existing biomass, causing the decreasing of the total dry weight. එයා එහෙම අනිත් පැත්තෙන් photosynthesis අඩු වුණාට respiration නැති වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද respiration නැති වුණොත් ගහ මැරෙන්න වෙනවා. අපි වගේමනේ නේ. වයසට ගියා photosynthesis නැවතුණා. අපේ අනිත් දේවල් නැවතුණා කියලා අපි හුස්ම ගන්න එක නැවතුනොත් මැරෙන්න එපා. So just like that, plant also same. But respiration is happening. Remaining organs ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන panicles, pods වගේ දේවල් consuming existing biomass. එයාගේ හැදිලා තියෙන biomass, හැදිලා තියෙන biomass කියන්නේ හැදිලා තියෙන ජෛව ස්කන්ධ causing the decrease of the total dry weight. ඒවා භාවිතයට ගන්නවා. Just like our grandparents, no? They are also taking the fat which is decreasing the skin, no? Skin එකේ එහෙම ඇතුළු වෙලා තියෙන they are which is used for their function. එයාලගේ වැඩට පාවිච්චි කරපු ශක්තිය ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන ශක්තිය තමයි එයාලා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ වයසට ගියාම more and more because body also same, no? Just like that, plant also do the same thing. In the other hand, respiration is happening with the remaining organs like panicles and the pod. They are consuming what they are consuming, existing biomass, hadich biomass, causing the decrease of the total dry weight. ඒ හින්දා තමයි යාලගේ dry weight එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ. Why? They are consuming existing biomass. In many crops, part of assimilate stored in the stems is translocated to filling. Many crops, ගොඩාක් crops වල part assimilate to stored. It store වෙලා තියෙන, ගබඩා වෙලා තියෙන stem එකේ ගබඩා වෙලා තියෙන දේවල් පාවිච්චි කරනවා filling the grains or the seeds during the negative phase. grain එක එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඇට seeds කියන්නේ ඇටනේ grains ඒවා ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඇට වගේ දේවල් පෝෂණය කරන්න ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන stem එකේ ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන ශක්තිය යා පාවිච්චි කරනවා. just like our grain traders, no, if they don't have something to eat, they are willing to give something which is have from them, no. එයාලට කන්න දෙයක් නැතත් අපිට තියෙන දෙයක් දෙන්න they are willing, කැමති. just like that, the which is thing stored in the stem is translated to fill in the grains and the seed during the negative phase. එයා negative phase එකේදී එයා ඉතුරු කරගෙන තියෙන ශක්තිය stem එකේ ඉතුරු කරගෙන තියෙන දේවල් translocate කියන්නේ translocation කියන්නේ phloem පටක වලදීම translocate වෙන්නේ එයාගේ ආහාර ද්‍රව්‍ය පරිවහනය වෙන්නේ මෙහාදී fill in the grains and the seed during the negative phase එකේදී එයා ඒ දේවල් දෙනවා. just like the paddy, wheat, all the plant, many crops, not all, just like many crops, ගොඩා crops ඒ දේ තමයි කරන්නේ එයාගේ life cycle එක ඇතුළත. මේක තමයි plant growth curve එක. Nangi Shehani, did you understood the growth curve? Nangi Shehani, are you there?
Yes, Akka.
Did you understood the growth curve?
Yes, Akka.
Do you have any doubts, any clarifications?
No.
Do you want to ask something regarding this or some other things?
Okay. Understood.
Thank you. Malli Himaru. Himaru,
Yes, sir.
did you understood the growth curve?
Yes, sir.
Why? Do you have any doubt or any clarifications?
No.
Sure?
Sure.
Sure, no? You can write answer from this one, no? If it comes to exam, you can write, no? Himaru?
I think I
Yeah. Do you satisfied with this? Did you
yes, sir.
understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Udita, Malli Udita. Udita, did you understood growth curve?
Yeah.
Do you have any doubts, clarifications?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What are the clarifications you have? English problems or my teaching problems
Yeah.
or something?
No.
No me?
English.
What's the case? English problems. I know that English is difficult for some ones, but you want to develop. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Day by day, you want to develop. If you have some doubts, use a notebook. For
Okay.
every subject, it's advice from me. Take a notebook and write the special words, keywords, which you find there. Like dictations, you write those things and you develop by yourself. It's the only way to improve yourself. It's very good way. I also did things like that. That's why I am telling it's very good way to you all. So try to do like that. Do you have any doubts and any clarifications? Anyone? Thank you, Malli. Any doubts and any
Thank you.
clarifications? Manishi,
I
is
didn't
it clear?
I didn't understand the meaning of the word assimilate.
Sorry.
Akka, what's the meaning of assimilate?
Assimilate. Assimilate එකතු වෙනවා. Assimilate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Do you have any doubts?
Akka,
Yeah, Darshani. What's the case?
Akka, can you explain the third point of linear phase again, please?
Okay, wait. Linear phase, no? Third point
sorry,
of
linear.
the like exponential linear. Third point. This one, no? Here,
Yes, Akka.
is
Yes, Akka.
here increasing effect of the total dry weight constant කියන්නේ ඒකාකාරී due to continuous canopy expansion. Continuous කියන්නේ එක දිගටම කොළ ටික දැන් ඔන්න ලොකු වෙලා. counteracted by mutual shading. දැන් නංගි එයාගේ total weight එක වැඩි. දැන් ගහ ලොකු වෙලානේ ගහ ලොකු වුණා. එයාගේ කොළ ටික වැඩි වුණා. කොළ ටික වැඩි වුණාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? පත්‍රයේ හෙවණැල්ල කියන්නේ දැන් ආවරණය වෙලානේ. එයාට ගොඩාක් හිරු එළිය ගන්න බෑ. නේ? පත්‍රය ආවරණය වුණාම ගොඩ හිරු එළිය ගන්නත් බෑනේ. එක මත වැටුණා. දැන් එයාට හිරු එළිය ගන්න බෑ. So increasing of the non photosynthesis tissues. දැන් ওই හිරු එළිය වැඩි වුණාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? එයාට photosynthesis ගොඩ කරන්න බෑනේ. මොකද එයා ගොඩක් export වෙලා නැහැනේ නේ. ගොඩක් එයා නිරාවරණය වෙලා. එයාගේ කොළ ගොඩක් වැහිලා එක මත හැදිලා දැන් එයා වැහිලා. So photosynthesis tissues අඩු වෙනවා. එතකොට එයාට photosynthesis කරන්න බෑ. එතකොට කරන්න බෑනේ. ඉතින් එයාට ගොඩක් හිරු එළිය එන්නේ නැහැනේ. ඒ හින්දා photosynthesis tissues අඩු වෙනවා.
හරි අක්කා.
Did you understand?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Avarjana, Nangi Avarjana, did you clear all the things? Or do you have any clarifications, doubt?
No, clear.
Thank you. Okay. If others have some clarifications, tell me. If not, we'll wind up. I know that you are tired. Sorry for the interruption for you. Sometimes in some other weeks, we will not meet. So I want to tell that. So if you have any doubts and any clarifications, tell me. Shahani, do you have any doubt?
Okay, do we need to practice the draw that graph?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Do we need to practice to draw that graph?
Do you need to? What? Sorry.
Do we need to practice to draw that graph?
Yeah, definitely. Sometimes they are asking, I will share definitely today night I will do. I'm busy these days. That's why I'm sorry. I will share some question papers, then you can understand what are the things they are expecting from you, know. So I will share. Then you can understand. Sometimes they are directly asking in the question papers, in the essay type, what are the stages of the growth. Then you need to be in a position to this graph and write all the special points there, like that. Did you understand, Nangi?
Yes, Akka. Thank you.
Okay. If you don't have any doubts and any clarification, shall we wind up the sessions? Did you understood all? Do you need to give any feedback to me? Or any comments? Or shall we wind up?
Yes, Akka, we understood very clearly.
Okay, thank you so much, Nangi. Then let's wind up. Thank you so much for all for your kind cooperation and kind attention. Good night to all. Sachini, do you have anything to tell? No?
No, okay.
Okay, good night. Stay
Thank you,
safe.
Akka.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, Akka.
Thank you, Akka.
Okay, welcome you all. Welcome you all. Good night and stay safe. Bye.